going on. So I did buy a few products from their website blueheavencosmetics.com when they were having offer of 19% going on during New Year. It's like Sone Pe Suhaga having most affordable products at a discount. So it's like a steal deal. So here are the new launches from Blue Heaven, which are exclusively new on their website. So let's get started. So first and the foremost, the very first product is their blush palette. It's their Blue Heaven signature blush palette. So the packaging is quite unique. It's rose gold. It's quite nice. I like the packaging. This is how the inside look like. The packaging is quite good. This is how the blush palette looks like. I got the shade 05. It's priced at around $225. I got an offer at around $183. So these are the shades. These are the shade of the eyeshadow palette. I got in the shade 05. And these are all the matte shades. The next product is their Elegance eyeshadow Studio Perfection eyeshadow palette, which is a 4-in-1 eyeshadow palette. I got in the shade 05. It is priced at around $175. I got it on offer. This is also on offer. So let me show it for you. This is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's quite sturdy and travel friendly. These are the shades. I won't be swatching it here because I will be doing a detailed review either here or on my blog. You can just check out the website link down below. So those were the 3 face products. I got 2 of their lippies, which is quite new launches. One is Elegance matte lip color, which is a liquid lipstick, and the other one is non-transfer lipstick, which is in a bullet form. This is the shade. Quite pretty shade. And the fun part of the last interesting product is it's quite unique in the Indian market, and I have seen for the first time. This is the Blue Heaven Crazy Fun Stick Lip. It's Blue Heaven Crazy Fun Stick for Lips, which is a matte lipstick. This is how you need to do it. You just need to pull the lid. You need to press your lips on the lipstick and you need to apply. That's quite unique, Blue Heaven. I'm really impressed. So let me show it for you. So this is how the lipstick look like. It's quite interesting, right? I have never seen such lipstick, not even with higher brand also. You just need to pull the lid over, press your lipsticks here, and you need to press your lipstick and apply it like that. And if you want a YouTube video demonstration of this lipstick, please let me know in the comment section below. That was all the new launches from Blue Heaven. If you want any specific video or a detailed product review, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, take care. Bye.